We begin with the tragic news coming out of St. James. A 28-year-old woman is in custody after her 1- and 8-year-old sons were burned to death in Paradise, Norwood last night. Her 2 daughters, the other half of 1-year-old twins, and a 6-year-old escaped the blaze, which destroyed 2 houses. The kids had been left home alone. TVJ's Krista Campbell has that story.
A little smoke burns beneath the rubble of what was a 1-bedroom board structure in Paradise, Norwood, St. James. It's where a 28-year-old woman lived with her 4 children, an 8-year-old boy, 6-year-old girl, and 1-year-old boy and girl twins. About 11:30 Friday night, disaster. The children were reportedly home alone, their mother alleged to have gone out. Their uncle, who lived in a detached board structure, was asleep inside his house.
Same time as I go on my bed, I hear like one of my sister friend coming in our yard. The 2 of them go out after that. And then go out our yard. Same time I drop asleep. After that, me hear my friend them come and start knock down the door. Knock down the door. Same time, I not even know what I go on because I knock out smoke, knock me out, I couldn't even move.
He says his friends had to kick in the door to get him out. 2 of the kids were not so fortunate. His 6-year-old niece managed to pull her 1-year-old sister from the inferno. The toddler was taken to hospital with burns to her hand. Sadly, their brothers, 8-year-old Javinci Palmer and 1-year-old Tyler McLeod, did not survive.
Same time in the fire, did they burn. My sister just come and start bad. And I said, people burn down in the house and everything.
Residents tried but could not save anything from his house, which was also burnt flat. Firefighters found the children's charred remains during cooling down operations. The children's mother has since been taken into custody. A police source told TVJ News that a breathalyzer test showed she had been drinking. She's being given counseling while in custody. Meanwhile, children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison says her office remains concerned about children being killed by fires after being left home alone. In an interview with our newsroom, she explained that the children's mother could be charged with cruelty to a child.
It looks at acts of omission that a duty bearer who owes a duty of care to a child may omit to do, and in so omitting exposes that child to undue harm that could in fact result in the child being very seriously injured or killed. So that is one possibility. And depending on what the circumstances turn up as well, there is the possibility of considering whether or not there is any criminal negligence.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.